All right, y'all. What it do? Let's get right into it. Get that pan. Butter that pan up. Boom. Pop them Pillsbury Doughboy mini pizza crust. Y'all see that? Pop that thing right on open. Now, you got to spread them all out, okay? Because we about to evenly distribute all that good old stuff we about to put on top of that. So, make sure y'all give them a little room. Spread them on out. Go ahead on, do y'all thing. Okay, so now we about to put the tomato sauce on there. I use Hunt's because Hunt's is really, really good, okay? So, we're going to spread it out. Spread the tomato sauce. Get it all juicy. All up on them pizza buns. Then we're going to get that pizza blend. That's the cheese blend with mozzarella, yes, and it has the cheddar in it too, bomb.com. So we're just going to sprinkle a little cheddar and mozzarella all over it, child. It's so good, yes. So I did this recipe one time before. It was cute. It was a nice little kid's meal. And it was cute. Then we get the pepperonis and, all that good stuff. Now, these are ready to eat, but I always like to pre-cook mine anyway. So chop it up all nice and good. So we can sprinkle the little pepperonis all over your little mini pizza burgers. Y'all see that? So I just chopped them up and spread them. Then I flipped one bun over the other one. Okay? Y'all see what I did here? To make them into burgers. Y'all see what I did here? Okay? Boom. Now I'm about to get the little butter to go over top. Okay? So we got the garlic start with the parsley. Okay? Then we got the actual parsley flakes. Okay? Then we're going to melt that butter on up. Okay, and then we're going to, boom, give it a little spin, give it a little spin, give it a little toss, a little spin. Let it come out just exactly like that. You see how it look? Mix it on up again. Kind of mix that little garlic salt up in there with the little parsley flakes and stuff like that. Then we're going to, pretty much go ahead on and just drip that sauce all over them burgers. You see, we're going to drip that sauce all over it just like that, just to give it the crust some nice little butter. Yeah, give it some flavor, y'all. Some extra little flavor and stuff like that. Then we're going to pop them things back on in the oven. Now, I cook it on 350. And I don't know, most people might not like 350. But I cook it on 350 because I like to take my time with it. I don't like to rush it. I always like to take my time. So, pop it back in the oven. Let it cook some more. Let the buns brown up a little bit. Let the pepperonis and everything kind of simmer all together. So take it in and out. Make sure you keep checking it because you don't want it to burn now. You don't want it to burn. You don't want your pizza burgers being burnt. Unless you like your crust burnt, then that's up to you. Okay, so you can pop it back in the oven for at least about 15 to 20 minutes, guys. And then, boom. Now roll it on, chop it on up. Now, this could be a cute little date night. Add a little Pinot Grigio, and it's all good. Now, other than that, call them man, them kids, and tell them dinner is served, baby. Bon voyage.